Our GM Performance parts engineers took not just the crate engine, but all the emissions components, the manifolds, the cats, and then the LS controller and the harness with a calibration that ties it all together. So you can get a high-performance LS V8 just like in this Camaro SS, emissions compliant in any project car you have in your home garage. Well, let's see how the GM Performance Division team did just that with our 55 Chevy.
This car, unlike a lot that we build, we've tried to stay true to the form of the 55 and not make many changes. You'll see that as you look at the car. The things that are obvious to you will be the emission components that we've put in place, things like the catalytic converters, the production exhaust manifolds, the canister under the hood for evaporative emissions. This car is a lot of fun to drive while still maintaining the emission compatibility that's so important in today's world. As we talked about when we were putting this car together, it's important to bring technology forward, but more important to make it easy to install and make sure that it works. Trying to do one of these swaps, they can be fairly intimidating and kind of difficult to do. We've tried to eliminate as many of those roadblocks as possible with these new crate engines. The harnesses come with them. The engine controller comes with them. There's only 5 wires to hook up to make that system function. We provide complete, detailed instructions to let you follow through and put the car together to answer any question you might have. This car is built with those instructions. From the engine mounts, which are an adapter designed to bolt right to a stock Chevrolet's mount, through the transmission, in this case a 4L70E, controlled by a GM Supermatic controller, is a simple hookup again, approximately 5 wires, and you plug the components in and you're done. Software is easy to change if you choose. You need more RPM for a shift point or to match your gear ratio that you put in the axle. These cars have become a lot easier to build. Add the emission compliance part of it, and this is the package of the future.
The focus of any car build is the engine. But with this 55 Chevy, even more care was taken to ensure that this E-Rod installation showcased the powertrain. The team made certain not to hide the wiring and emissions control pieces, just to illustrate how these parts work with the base engine. The LS3 fit perfectly where once an inline 6-cylinder was installed. The entire E-Rod crate engine package includes the following: a brand new production line built LS EFI engine, GM Performance Parts engine wiring harness and calibrated ECM, accelerator pedal for the engine's electronic throttle body, system calibrated catalytic converters, exhaust manifolds, and oxygen sensors, a mass airflow sensor, air filter, mounting and all accessories, and a complete instruction manual. And backing up the E-Rod crate engine package is GM's latest severe duty transmission, the Supermatic 4L70E.